This is not the first time our land has been plagued with a pandemic or an epidemic. One thing history has taught us is that a time like this would come, but we will definitely overcome and survive the situation. The 1918 influenza pandemic was one of the most deadly in world history. It was caused by an H1N1 virus with a gene of avian origin. It spread worldwide between 1918 and 1919. The total number of deaths of the pandemic was at least 50 million worldwide. The influenza hit Lagos on the 14th of September 1918. Lagos lost 1.5% of 81,941 population in the first 2 months of the outbreak, according to the British Public Record Service of 1919. In no time, the virus spread to ABEOKUTA, Ibadan, Ilorin, Bida, Jeba, Zaria, Kano, and Bauchi due to the movement of people from affected areas to non-affected areas. On October 14, 1918, the flu was detected in ONITSHA, where a large number of people got infected and died due to the virulent nature of the virus, with insufficient health care to combat it. By December 1918, it spread all over the country. By mid-1919, the pandemic came to an end, as those who had been infected either died or developed immunity against the virus. In 1897, the coastal town of Ekpe, near Lagos, was hit with a severe case of smallpox epidemic. Dr. Oguntola Sakpara Williams, the first native appointed assistant surgeon, rose to the occasion by curbing the epidemic through an unorthodox way. While at his posting at Ekpe, Sakpara took the unorthodox step of joining the local smallpox cult with the motive of understanding their operations and eventually terminating the activities which he then suspected was not helping the small community. The Witchcraft and Juju Ordinance in 1917 made the worship of Shopono, the Yoruba god of smallpox, a crime punishable by fine and imprisonment. Let's not forget the widespread epidemic of leprosy in the entire stretch of Egbaland between 1857 and 1859. This led to the establishment of the first hospital in Nigeria by Reverend Father Cookward of the Catholic Church in ABEOKUTA. The hospital was the first set up as a world-class healthcare and research center then. The hospital, known as the Sacred Heart Hospital, still stands today at ITESI in ABEOKUTA. The current COVID-19 pandemic is just a phase. Let's maintain good hygiene system. Stay indoors, wash your hands, stay informed, don't panic, and in no time this is going to be over. Nigeria go survive.